Hey everyone, it's Jim, Midnight Road Garage. And have y'all ever heard of Whistling Diesel? I'm guessing if you're into car channels on YouTube, you've probably heard of him. So he has some sort of hatred for squatted trucks or something, I can't say I really blame him. So he's selling this product called squatted truck mulch. Basically, it's the shredded metal left over from these squatted trucks, and he puts them in a jar, and he was selling them for 150 bucks. Now, I know what you're thinking, why would you spend $150 on a jar of squatted truck mulch? Well, I'm single, so I have a little bit of disposable income, and there's also kind of a contest involved. You had a chance to get a card where you could have won $50,000 or like $1,000 or something. Now, I was going to do this live and do a live feed for this, but turns out that somebody already got the $50,000 card, so there's really no need for me to do this live, so I'm just recording it. My internet sucks, and I couldn't do a live stream if I wanted to because I have crappy Hughes satellite. Anyways, I'm digressing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this, but first, I need to get myself something to drink because it's been a long week. Oh, that really hits the spot, y'all. Oh, all right. Anyway, I really just wanted to show off my knife wrench that I got at some weird craft show. It's kind of cool. It's 13/16, but that's been heated up and bent, so it's now a bottle opener. The other side is great for opening boxes. So, what do you say we dig in and see if we got one of those $1,000 cards in here? Now I'm opening this upside down because I don't want you internet sleuths checking out the address on the box. Let's see what we got here. We've got paper. And some more paper. And of course we have our jar, which is right here. Here we go. Squatted truck mulch. Cleaning the earth one jar at a time. This looks like it's actually mulch. But let me open it up. Pretty sure there's no card in here. Let's see here. Caution, do not open. Biohazard warning. And it appears to also be autographed by Whistling Diesel, I imagine. I'm just kind of shaking this around, and I don't see a card in here. It's really a pile of dirt. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. No, definitely not. Nothing in the paper. Nope. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my chances and open it up just to take a look. You think that'll decrease the value on it? I don't think so. Maybe I can peel the sticker back. No one will know then that I actually opened it up if I don't break the seal. This will keep its collectible value. Just shh, don't tell anyone. Oh my God. Oh, that smells nasty. Oh, that's gross. That is gross. Oh, this is definitely This is definitely parts of a vehicle. That smells. Wow. Wow, that is, oh, God. Oof. Okay, you know, that warning label's on here for a reason. Man. Oh. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and put that back on there. Collector value still intact. Well, I wish I'd won some money, but I didn't. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys down the road. So I think probably the best place to put this squatted truck mulch is way up here in the rafters where it takes a ladder to get to it. And no one will find it.